Hey, today we are going to be unboxing a Nikon Z50. My friend Chris, who is a Nikon ambassador, actually did a little project where I actually shot with that camera, and it turns out that there's a creator kit for YouTubers. And although I am a podcaster, not a YouTuber, I realized that I should use my channel and maybe teach you guys how to do some stuff. Because I've been getting a lot of questions about podcasting and how to create a podcast, how to run a podcast, where to host a podcast, all those things. I'm happy to tell you what I do, and hopefully it'll help you. I'm not the expert, but I am the expert on what I do. I hope that you can make use of some of my experience. We're gonna get started unboxing this camera because we're gonna switch over from an iPhone XS to a real, actual, solid content creator camera. All right, so we have the camera. Now we're gonna take it downstairs and we're gonna do an unboxing. All right, here we go. What's inside? It says it's a Z50 camera with Nikon Z DX 16 to 50 millimeters. Wow, I have no idea what I'm doing. None. But it also comes with a Rode Videomicro microphone, which is basically just a small little baby version, I guess. And a Joby GorillaPod, which I have. This guy, oh gosh, sorry. Okay. So I have this one, it's for my iPhone. It'll be nice to have a second one, in case I want to do some fancy stuff. There's also a travel kit bag in charcoal and a small rig vlogger bracket.
Small rig vlogger bracket.
Which is probably the most important thing ever, because the screen actually goes down, and it seemed like an issue until I realized that Nikon had already thought of that. Okay, so here's the bag that it comes with. This is a pretty sweet bag, I'm not gonna lie. This is the inside, so it seems like it has enough space for everything. Maybe, I don't know. It seems like it. Okay, we also have the small rig. So this is what I was talking about. This is the little guy that you attach to the camera so that the tripod does not get in the way of the screen. That's this guy. So we'll put that to the side and then we'll take a look at it in a minute when I put it together. Okay, it also comes with, like I said, the Joby tripod with a removable ball head. So I know this one, I think I can remove it from here. I'm honestly not sure. Yeah, I can. So here, I actually can unscrew that and, use different attachments on it. So you could use like regular cameras, or if I wanted to, I could just, continue using my iPhone. But I'm gonna keep that because I'm probably gonna need my iPhone sometimes as well. Then we have the Rode Videomicro. Let's open that baby up. I love these little muffs. They're so cute. Here's the microphone. Okay, so the muff is there. This is the actual microphone. I don't know what this is. Tell me in the comments. I'm obviously gonna... Oh, I think it's just to help hold the microphone. I don't know. I have no idea what I'm doing here. I am so new to YouTube. I mean, I helped my son with YouTube a little bit. We did it on iPhone. I mean, no clue. Check him out. It's Hello Pokeball. That's his channel name. So all those videos, I helped him edit, except for a few of them. Probably the funniest one. Oh, there's one, Don't Let the Haters Bring You Down. Definitely watch that one because it is pure gold.
This is a video that is very serious. When someone hates on you, don't let that bring you down. They are haters. They have their opinions.
Okay, you guys, this is the moment of truth. Don't cut yourself. Spanish manual. Hey, if you guys learn Spanish on my channel, maybe you'll be able to read that. And then you get an English manual. Okay, so here we go. We have the Nikon body. Look at this. Super light. So this is where you would normally put your tripod, and so it would actually get in the way. So if you can see this is right here, and it would come down like this or something. Yeah. So if we had that, this guy would get in the way. So that's why we have this guy. Okay, so we will take a look at that shortly. Okay, then we have our lens. So this is our lens. This is just a standard mini USB. We have our battery. And we have our battery charger. Here is the strap. Okay, so here is the small rig, which is going to be necessary for putting this baby on the Joby tripod. Honestly, QR codes, who uses them? Nobody. Here it is. And we're gonna take this, it goes like this. Good news is we've got this little guy right here, so it actually makes it really easy to position it. And that's it. Now let's grab our tripod. Here it is. So naturally, we take this and we screw it in over here, see? That's it. And then here, this one actually comes with a nice level, so we could make sure we're level, which is not what this one has. This one doesn't have a level. Let's figure out how to put the battery in. I guess should have put the battery in before I put this guy in there. And before you put your camera in, you also need your SD card. Okay, so make sure you pop that in there. I haven't gotten mine in the mail yet. There we go. All right, so anyway, I was able to attach the lens. It's really nice. Gotta put this baby back on. I guess this is why we need the level. One more thing that we can do is attach this guy. I'm not gonna lie, I honestly have no idea how any of this works. I'm guessing that goes there. The instructions, that might help us. Okay. So those are the instructions. And since I never read instructions, I guess what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna look at the pictures and pretend I know what I'm doing. What did I do with, oh, it's right here. Okay, you kind of have to turn it a little bit to loosen it up and then you tighten it. Oh, wow. Look at that. And this kind of just like hangs there. Weird. I love the level on this Joby. It's amazing because I know if it's level, which is something I don't know on this camera that we're filming on, and it's something I don't know on the other Joby. So this is great. What else do we need? Oh, this guy. Okay, this is my first real camera ever, so yeah, I don't know how to attach the strap, but I think I just have to weave it through because it's kind of like a little hook like that. See? So anyway, I'll do that later. Now I have this little guy and I have to plug it in somewhere. Oh, here we go. There's a little spot right there that says mic. And just pop it and plug it in. And then we're good. Okay, and yes, I am gonna take plastic off of here. Don't you hate people that leave the plastic on everything? It's kind of gross. Now let's turn it on. I'll get the lenses in. Okay, it says before taking photos, rotate the zoom ring. Okay, so it kind of like unlocks it. I don't know what that thing in the middle is though. I don't know, but anyway, the battery's basically dead. I don't know what that is. I'll figure it out. I'm gonna ask my buddy Chris, see if he can help me. Looks like we're done with our unboxing. Next time you see me, it's gonna be on footage from this camera.